So ayun na nga guys, andito na tayo actually sa Malaysia. So andito tayo sa Prime Minister's office. Ito yung kanyang office, kung nakikita nyo yung parang onion na may green. Yan yan. So dyan, so andito tayo para makita natin yung mga places dito sa Malaysia. So as you can see guys, iba't ibang mga plugs ito dito. So yun na nga, mag-group picture daw dito. Putrajaya. This is Putrajaya.
What is Jaya?
Victory.
We are
Victory.
here for the victory.
Yeah.
Sunrise.
Very nice place.
Gonna have a chat. You cannot say Putra Jaya.
Come down.
Sit down. Some of them, I think, better sit. Sit.
Oh, sit.
Sit.
Sit is better. Can read. I can read.
Yun.
Dili na ito makita.
Ayun. Walang arthritis. You can sit down. Sit down.
Yeah,
Sit down. But di ba po ang
In front daw siya.
Okay. Banner kami guys.
Hindi.
Okay, sit. Please sit.
Some can sit in front,